The city never really sleeps. It hums, it breathes, it glows. From far above, everything feels distant, almost unreal, like watching a living organism move in patterns only it understands. And here, suspended between sky and steel, life begins to feel different. There's a quiet that doesn't come from silence, but from separation. The noise is still there, the motion never stops, yet it fades into something softer, something almost rhythmic. Time slows in a place like this, not because the world pauses, but because you finally notice it. Light becomes a language of its own. It shifts, it reflects, it wraps around every surface, changing the mood without asking. Morning arrives gently, spilling across glass and shadow, while night transforms everything into a canvas of endless color. It's not just a view, it's an experience that never repeats itself the same way twice. Movement feels effortless here. Spaces open before you need them, environments adapt without being seen, and everything flows with an almost invisible precision. It's as if the space understands presence, responding quietly, never demanding attention, yet always delivering it. There's a strange balance between control and surrender. On one hand, everything is designed, intentional, refined to the smallest detail. On the other, there's an undeniable sense of letting go, of allowing the surroundings to carry you, to guide how you feel, how you move, how you exist within it. Moments stretch longer than expected. A simple pause becomes something more. A glance outward turns into reflection. The distance between where you are and everything below starts to feel symbolic, not just physical. It's not about being above it all, but about seeing it differently. And in that shift, something changes. The definition of comfort, of space, even of time itself begins to evolve. It's no longer about what surrounds you, but how it makes you feel, how seamlessly everything comes together without effort, without interruption. As the light fades once again and the city returns to its endless glow, there's a realization that settles in quietly. This isn't just a place, it's a perspective, a way of experiencing the world that blends motion with stillness, complexity with simplicity. And somewhere between the reflections and the skyline, between the silence and the distant hum, you begin to understand this is what the future feels like.